In this video, I'll guide you through how to fix Roblox error code 403. If you're new to the channel, please go down below and consider subscribing. And once you've done that, please go down below and consider leaving a like. We really do appreciate it. So as you can see, here we are on Roblox, and if you're getting this error, then let's go and get into these fixes. So honestly, the first fix is really simple. All you want to do is go and restart your computer. So to do that, all you need to do is if you're using a Windows computer, is go and press on the start button, just like so, and then you need to go and click on the power button and go and tap on restart. Most of the time, this is going to go and fix the issue. It's a fairly simple fix, and it just goes and restarts your computer. So for the second fix, I just recommend making sure that your internet is fully working. Sometimes in between you being on the Roblox website and you tapping the play button on a game, your internet may cut out, and that is going to go and cause the error 403. And I know you're watching this video, but you may be watching this on another device or something like that. But just make sure your computer that you're trying to play Roblox on can still load the internet. So go to google.com or just a random website just to make sure that everything is loading just fine. But if your internet is working fine but you're still getting this 403 error, then what I recommend doing is going and reinstalling Roblox. So to do that, all you need to do is go and tap on search in the bottom, and you want to go and type in remove apps or programs or something like that. As you can see, remove programs, tap here, and this is going to go and open this up here. It will take a moment to load all your apps, and then all we're going to go and do is go and search for Roblox, just like so, and you want to go and find the Roblox player. Then go and click on the three dots on the right hand side, press uninstall, and you need to press uninstall again, and then Roblox is going to be uninstalled. Give it a moment, and then it'll be successfully uninstalled. You'll probably get a pop-up once it's finished. Once it's successfully completed, it's going to go and say Roblox has been uninstalled, hit OK, and there we go, it's now been uninstalled. So if you're wondering how do I go and reinstall it, then all you need to do is head to the Roblox website and go and tap on play on a game. For example, jailbreak, or just tap play. It's going to go and say Roblox is now loading, and you'll need a new app to open this Roblox player link. But just give a moment and it's going to automatically go and say download and install Roblox. Click that button and the player launcher is going to go and appear. So go and tap on it. Now I'm using Google Chrome and it may be different for you, but you can always go and find your downloads in your file explorer in the downloads folder. So let's go and tap on this player just like so in this installer. As you can see, it's connecting to Roblox, configuring it, and now installing it. So sit back and wait for it to finish. And then once it is finished, it's going to go and say Roblox is successfully installed. Click the play button on any game to join the action, so tap OK, and then we can just go and press join, and Roblox should now launch fine. As you can see, Roblox is now starting, and shortly we're going to be in the game. And here we are on Roblox, it's now working fine. If you found this video useful, please go down below and consider leaving a like. Peace.